All right. Hi, second grade. So I am going to talk to you today about place value. And what we're going to talk about is I can use place value to describe numbers, okay? So the first thing we're going to review, I know you did a lot of this in first grade. So is these are what the base 10 blocks are and what the place values are. So we're going to start with there's hundreds, tens, and ones, okay? And to represent these, this is the hundreds because it has 100 of those little squares you might remember from some of your calendars. These are represent the tens because they have 10 little squares, and sometimes they're referred to as longs. And then these little ones are the ones for the one spot. All right? So what you may see is let's take a number. Let's take the number 12. Okay? So in the number 12, this number right here is the one spot. Okay? So to represent that with our base 10 blocks, I'm going to take, just going to represent the one spot, which is 2. 1, 2. Okay? I'm going to grab one more marker color, okay? Now this number here is the 10 spot, okay? So that, I'm going to take a 10 or a long to represent that, okay? And this represents the number 12. That's another way to describe numbers. And if I count up all the little spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I know that that is right, okay? So let's put these back down and we're going to try another number, all right? So let's try a little bit bigger number. And let's say we have the number, let's try 43, okay? So let's look at the one spot first, okay? So I know that I need 3 ones. So I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3. And the tens, that's a 4 in the 10 spot. 43, that's a 4. So now I know that I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4. And since each of these is 10, I know if I count by tens, I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 here, 41, 42, 43, okay? Now, let's bring in our hundreds, okay? Let's put these back down. We're going to bring in the hundreds. And let's say you have a number like 158. 158. So let's go ahead and start in our one spot. Okay? 8. So I'm going to bring 8 of these little guys up here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now check this out. How many? 5 longs. So I'm going to put, I might count by tens here to help me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There we go. And now hundreds. It's, okay, if this tens is 5, hundreds is, what is that? 1. You got it. So bring that up. So and I know this is 100, okay? So go, and then I can count these by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I got 150, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159. Oh no, Miss Sullivan, you counted wrong. Try again. It's okay, not a big deal. I'm just going to do it again. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158. There, I did it again, and I did get it right. So, now let me show you a different way, okay? So, sometimes you might see just the base 10 blocks, okay? And then the question might be, what number is this? What number? So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoopsie. I'm going to write the number 4 and then count the tens. So I'm not going to count each individually. I'm just going to count how many are here. There's 1, 2 longs. 2 longs is 24. Okay, 2 longs is 2. So 2, 4, 24. Right? Now, what if we have it like this? Let's take a look. Oops. Actually, let's take these down. Okay. Okay, let's say we see these. Okay. What we can do here to figure out this number. Now, you can count every little square here and here and here and here. But let me show you the easy way, okay? We start with the ones and we just count. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So you write a 3. So in the 10 spot, which goes in front of the 3, let's just count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And then how many hundreds? 1, 2. So the number is 243. All right? So today, for part of your seesaw activity, you're going to be working with base 10 blocks and with numbers and using the place values to describe the numbers. Very good work today. Okay? I will see you soon.